Hello children, today we are going to start Civics class 8 lesson 1, the Indian Constitution. What is a constitution? The set of rules, the laws through which a country is governed is known as constitution. Why do we need a constitution? Why? To govern the country in a certain disciplined manner. There are several reasons why we need a constitution. The constitution of a country tells its citizens that in what type of the society they are living, what are the ideals and the values of their society. It tells the citizen what type of government they have and what are the powers of the government. The constitution defines the right of the citizen too, so they cannot break any laws. Vision and the values of the Indian constitutions are stated in the preamble. Now what is a preamble? Let's understand about preamble. India's constitution begins with an introduction called preamble. The preamble tells the values, the ideas that the nation should follow. Let's understand the significance of the expression that are stated in the preamble. This will help to understand that what are the values that are upheld in our constitution. The power of the people. The power lies in the hands of the people. India is sovereign. That means we have got the independence to take our own decision, either it is external or internal. India is socialist. Everybody in India have got the opportunity to use its resource. India is a secular country. This means all the religions are equal and there is no official religion. We are free to follow any type of religion we want. India is democratic, that is the people of India participate in the governance through the representative elected head by the adult population. Our country is republic. The constitution of India is a republic. That is, we elect the head of our government, that is the president, and he gives the service for a fixed term. This position is not hereditary. We have got the liberty to express our views freely. All are equal before the laws. That means it uphold the values of equality. The last and the most important significance of the preamble is fraternity. India is a land of diversity. To ensure that the people of India live in complete peace and harmony, it is important to develop the feeling of brotherhood. So our constitution promotes the fraternity. That means it promotes the feeling of unity and integrity among our country. So now we came to know about the importance of the preamble. The preamble reflects the vision and the aim of the founding fathers of India's constitution. India's constitution came to force on 26th January 1950. The preamble is a very important document because it states the goals before the nation and the guidance that the policy maker should follow. Let's know some of the important features of the Indian Constitution. The first one is the federal structure. This means a system of a government in which the individual state have control over their own affairs but are controlled by the central government in matter of national importance. This system is called the federal structure. Let me give you one of the latest example. As we are going through the crisis of COVID-19 and it is a matter of our nation, not only the nation, the whole world is suffering from this COVID-19. So the central government is giving the instruction to the state to follow the ideas and follow the laws that they are implementing to control this COVID-19. So this is one of the example how the state government and the central government are working together to fight against this disease. The next one is the three organs of the government. The government works to the three branches, that is the legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature makes the laws, executive gives effect to the laws, and the judiciary interprets the laws. The next feature is the parliamentary form of government. India has a parliamentary form of government, means the legislature and the executive are closely linked with each other. Universal adult franchise. India has universal adult franchise, hence every adult citizen have got the right to vote, no matter to which caste or creed he belongs. We have certain fundamental rights and duties too. India's constitution gives all the Indian citizens certain rights which are essential for its citizen. These rights are known as fundamental rights. The constitution also mentions certain duties that every citizen of the country is expected to follow for the nation. These duties are known as the fundamental duties. Now let's know the most important feature of the Indian Constitution. Yes, that is the directive principle of the state policy. What is this? That is, all the ideals of the Constitution cannot be translated into the law at once. Knowing this, the framers of our Indian Constitution laid down certain guidelines for the future government for gradual translation of ideals into the laws. These guidelines are called as the directive principle of the state policy. So we have studied about the Constitution and its important features in this chapter. The architecture of our Indian Constitution, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar along with the group of 300 people, that is the Constitutional Assembly, who has got a great vision for the future, framed the Constitution, and the Constitution of our country came into the force on 26 January 1950. Revise the chapter and try to solve the question which will be given in your worksheet.